Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore error logging with Sentry for AI automation step by step clearly. To restore error logging with Sentry for AI automation, begin by accessing your Sentry account. Create a new project or select an existing one suitable for your AI automation. Make a note of the DSN provided for the project. In your AI automation codebase, install the Sentry SDK. For Python, use the following command: pip install upgrade Sentry SDK. For JavaScript, use this command, npm install at sentry/node. Import the Sentry SDK at the beginning of your main file. Initialize Sentry using your DSN in the configuration block. For Python, use this format, sentry_sdk.init, dsn equals your _dsn_ here. For JavaScript, use sentry.init dsn your _dsn_ here. After initialization, implement error capturing in your code. Wrap your application code with a try except block in Python. Use the following line inside the except block, sentry.capture_exception e. In JavaScript, use a similar approach with a try catch block. Ensure all critical sections of your AI automation are covered. Test the error logging by intentionally throwing an error in your code. Monitor your Sentry dashboard to see if the error appears. Adjust configurations if necessary to filter specific error types. Review the settings to customize alert notifications for your team. Integrate Sentry with your CI/CD pipeline for automated error tracking. Ensure you regularly update the Sentry SDK to the latest version. Finally, document the implementation process for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.